Hello beautiful people, welcome to DesignLead. On this video, we will talk about a trend that I noticed at the beginning of 2020. And that trend is animations on landing pages, on websites, animations on mobile apps. This trend, I believe, is here to stay. Right now, we are in the last month of 2020, and I came across with this article that basically summarized everything that I just noticed throughout the entire year 2020. I believe that in 2021 animations will become a bigger trend. Just the fact that when you add animations to your native mobile apps or websites, landing pages, that increases the engagements of users because animations they just are appealing. Let me show you this article that I came across. So I came across, like I said, with this article on this website. And essentially this article talks about, it was written in 2018, can you believe it? So it's been a while now, but I guess it takes time for designers and companies to adopt essentially trends. Companies that have culture of technology and culture that adapts design as well. Those companies tend to be the first ones to use animations on their platforms, web and mobile apps. But essentially, I noticed throughout many apps that I use that this trend is here to stay. And this is an example of how these designers are using animations on landing pages. As you can see, so it's more engaging definitely to see an animation that on a landing page than a static illustration. Here's another example. Here's one of my favorite ones that I saw in this article. It's like a little airplane. So I think it's pretty fun to see these types of animations on your website or in companies' websites. It's just more, I feel like it's just more appealing to see animations, illustrations that are animated, essentially. Here's another one. Apparently the landing page is a landing page that is about bicycles or sell bicycles or has to do something with bicycles. This one. This is another one that I just feel like it's pretty cool. So there is a mobile app that I noticed as well that uses beautiful animations. The company's name is Robinhood. And this is not an advertisement. This is just the fact that they use good design. That's what I mentioned there. So they use animations on their mobile app, and I think are very appealing. So in 2021 is when I believe you're going to start seeing more of this, the adoption of these illustrations on websites and in mobile apps throughout the internet. If you want to go check out this article, I can leave the website for you to go and check it out. I'll leave the link on the description of this video. Anyways, that's what I wanted to show you. If you are a graphic designer, a UI designer who works on designing essentially animations for mobile apps or animations for websites, if you collaborate with developers, there is a tool by the guys from Airbnb that you can use. I believe the name is Lottie or Lottie, and you connect that plugin with After Effects, and you can, at the end, when you design your animation, in After Effects, you can transfer, you can export the animation as a JSON file, and you can just give that JSON file to your developer, whoever you're working with, and you could have something that looks like this. They can put it on the website and it's gonna look something like this. Of course, the animation might change because style, right? But animations can be easily, or illustrations can be easily animated in After Effects with that specific plugin. Well, hopefully this video helps you somehow. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, to follow me on other social medias, TikTok, and of course to stay in touch. If you have questions, don't forget to reach out or just leave a comment on this video. Good luck. I'll see you soon.